Hey.
Hi.
Hey guys, Ariel Hyatt, Suze Polinsky, Cyber PR, Rockstar Advocate.
We did an amazing thing this week. We had a book launch party for Suze's Rockstar Life Planner, which is my new favorite music industry book.
And it went so hand in hand with her amazing book, Crowd Start, so we did it together.
And we did something amazing. 45 musicians and music industry people showed up. We got them to focus in on what the most important goal they wanted was.
And the feedback was, this was not your normal networking event. You didn't just have some wine and stumble home. You went home with actionable next steps. So we were figuring,
why don't we bring this to the world?
Yeah.
Announcing our Facebook Live pop-up course. It's just going to be 3 weeks in March. It's going live in just a couple of days. And what we're going to do is this. Week 1,
goal setting. You know kind of what you want, but you're not clear on it. We're going to get you super clear on goals and tangible goals, okay? No 100,000 Facebook likes in a week. Yeah, tangible goals so that on week 2,
I'm going to step in and help you really understand what a clear marketing narrative is. So we're going to take my social media tune-up and a lot of my work that I put in with my cyber PR clients here at the agency, and we are going to nail what is your narrative and how to get what it is you want into your marketing narrative so that it's clear and concise.
Then week 3,
it's going to be so fun.
Both of us.
You
virtual party.
Both of us, virtual party, 90 minutes of laser focus, really figuring out how are you going to take the first 2 weeks and get an action plan that works for you. Plus, you're going to get the entire community to help support you that also take this pop-up course.
Yeah. Structure, accountability, community, it's everything you could want. And we're going to give it to you. 3 weeks, March, it's happening. Click the link below, get all the juicy details, see amazing testimonials from the people that came to our book launch, and we can't wait to see you.
See you on Facebook Live.
Bye.